Hi, everyone. Okay, so the idea of lung cancer and a smoker's disease often go hand in hand. But what if I told you that up to 25% of lung cancer patients have never smoked a single cigarette in their lives? Due to the lack of suspicion in these patients, their cancer ends up being diagnosed in extremely late stages when the cancer is uncurable and the clinical outcomes are very poor, including a higher mortality rate than those of smoking lung cancer patients. Often termed never smoker lung cancer, the problem is actually within the name itself. We currently only have tobacco smoking as a way to screen for and find those who are at high risk of lung cancer. And this leaves everyone else to be lumped together into an ambiguous umbrella, mostly hidden from us until it is much too late. Enter air pollution. With the ever-rising levels of greenhouse gases in our atmosphere, it is imperative to understand the impact of air pollution exposure on never smoker lung cancer. My thesis aims to do this by collecting tumor samples from never smoker lung cancer patients, as well as survey data that outlines their current and past residential addresses, which can then be correlated with ground and satellite data in order for us to calculate approximately the lifetime air pollution exposure in each of these patients. With the tumor samples, I will be using a technology called next-generation sequencing, and this will yield a plethora of gene-related data, essentially showing me how the biological predefined code of these patients becomes modified, potentially silenced, and subsequently utilized within the actual tumor tissue. The overall idea here is to see if there is a distinct genetic profile associated with air pollution exposure and lung cancer itself. As well, with the large amounts of data that we'll be able to generate, we want to see if there's any other patterns that we may have missed about this mysterious disease. The overall impact of this is that with solid biological evidence of air pollution's impact on never smoker lung cancer, we can then use this and catapult the use of air pollution as a way to look for those who are at high risk of lung cancer but have never smoked before. And this is in hopes of earlier detection rates so that we can find the cancer when it is curable, and down the line, hopefully prevention of cases through changes in policies. Overall, I hope that my research is able to raise awareness and highlight the fact that lung cancer is not a smoker's disease, but in fact, a disease that can happen in anyone. Thanks so much.